welcome to Tamil Technorakas. Now we are going to see how to make a kitchen garden with plastic bottles. We are going to reuse this plastic bottles into a kitchen garden set. Okay, let's start it. First, you should take a bottle of your desired size. You can also use bottle like this. I am taking two bottles and I will add some more in coming seconds. So now after taking the bottle, you should cut here exactly at center here. See guys, here you should cut with the cutter. Be careful so that you should not cut your finger. So I am starting my cutting. So I have cutted now. After the cut, uh, we want to keep it here and keep aside. Same way we should cut the other bottles also. Okay, now I have cutted these bottles. So next our plan is to add the water. So our plan is to pour water here so that it lasts for some days, and we are using a thread here inside. We are using a thread inside here, and we are pouring and planting our plant here. So this is the storage for water. So let's start adding thread into it. For that you should take some threads like this with that same size. Take the same size, then we should insert this in this cap so that our plant can absorb the water through the thread. So now I am inserting to the thread into this cap of the bottle. So now we have added water, and we have also passed the thread to the caps of the soil like of the bottle like this, so that our plant can easily absorb the water. So there are some key features, there are some advantages by this method of small farming. What is that is, if you forget to water these plants, you not to worry, because these water get used up very utilize it gets used up very utilizedly, and it will be used up so not very quickly. It will be used so slowly, and it will this water also fulfill the requirements of the plant. It does not make the root to die. So this is the best advantage of this method of farming. So now let's add the soil to this, and we can plant the plant in this. So I have soil which is a humus which contains a humus. So now I am adding the soil to each of it. So you can see that, add soil so that our plant can grow. Actually this method of farming has no lot of advantages. You can also get results very quickly. By this method, the plastic bottle is not wasted fully, because all parts of the plastic bottle are used up and no of it is left free. Hence this helps in recycling of the plastic bottle into a beautiful kitchen garden, we can say. That is it. Now we can plant. Before that, I am adding the soil so that our plants can grow quicker. So yes, I have added soil. Now it's time to add the seeds. 1 minute. Here I want to full it so that our plant will grow fastly. Okay friends. Okay. Okay, now I have added soil here. Now I am going to plant these seeds in the bottles. So first take all the bottles, and this one is a lady's fingers seed, because I love it, so I am growing this. So if you're growing lady's finger, take, these are the fresh lady's finger seeds I bought from the market. Not now, because of corona I can't go anywhere now, but I bought it before some days. Okay, taking the seed, put one hole with your finger and drop the seed inside and close that sweet. Now next bottle, same way I am putting one seed and closing it with my finger. And last but not least, last I am also again closing the bottle with lady's finger. Now I am going to plant a climber seed. You can guess that. Yes, it's my favorite bitter gourd. So this is the bitter gourd seed. As it is a climber, it does not need a large area. But there are also some disadvantages in this type of farming. What is that is we can't grow bigger plant. That is the problem. But lady's finger, tomato, and this climbers are not a problem. So I am growing this. So now I am adding the bitter gourd seed. Yes, it's finished. So this is my uh, kitchen garden. So if you like this video, you can give a like and put the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I am Harishwar, NK of 10B from Amrita Vidyalayam, Coimbatore, signing off. Thank you. So I have planted my kitchen garden in my terrace. You can see that my four dear little plants. I am waiting for your growth, and don't forget to nurture it because they are our friends. So you can also try this technique, and in this corona period you can try this and eat your own and your favorite dish with help of this technique. Thank you. I am Harishwaran K of class 10B, Amrita Vidyalayam Mettimadai, Coimbatore. Thank you.